So this is the labeling website. You can come to this location here, and now you have to choose file. You have to make your way to the nifty directory. And then this is the JSON file that's generated. Click upload, and this will basically generate the Artery profile. By clicking on minus or changing this bar, you can change the size of these nodes. Now if you want to label these nodes, you need to click on the node button at the end of it and then start labeling. Labeling guide can be found here. On archive, you will see this figure 5. And basically the way this works is the ICA comes from the bottom of the brain, and then it bifurcates to MCA and goes towards MCA and towards ACA. This happens for both the cases, left and right. So what we're gonna do is, you can look at these nodes and you can label them in this website. You click G to get the guide out of the way, and looks like this is one of the nodes of bifurcation. This is at the right side. So your right is the right labeling and left is the left labeling. If you see, there's only one node for this point over here, so either mark it A1 A2R or A1 A2L. If you make a mistake, you can click on this once again. It will ask for you to relabel it. Click OK, then change the actual label. At first you have to undefine it, and then you can relabel it. As you can see here, there's no posterior communicating arteries, so these connections won't be made. The program will find out how to create these networks, P1, P2 networks. So the points that are missing then are M1, M2 left and M1, M2 right. As we open the guide, you can see that this is the first node, M1, M2 right, and for here it's this one. I think for this particular subject, these were all the nodes that needed to be labeled. The program will figure out the other connections on its own. So now you have to save the labels. Either you can press Ctrl S or just save label button here. It saves a JSON file. That you can directly paste to the BPM location. So this is the file that we will need to extract the features. Now what we will do is close the browser and click on extract feature. This will ask for this file here. Open it. It will give you some warnings that anterior communicating and posterior communicating arteries are missing. So it just warns you about that. And it starts generating those features. Different arteries are colored differently, and It takes around 2 minutes to save all the features. Generally, the fractal dimensionality feature takes some time to save, so it takes around 2 minutes to save all those features in a CSV file. So it generated the CSV file in this particular directory, in the application directory. So this is the CSV file that's generated. Now you can open it. And you'll see the volume, surface area, mean tortuosity, uh, section area, intensity, and so on. These features will be saved with their total branch count in different networks, and also the fractal dimensionality value for each of them. If each of the network and cases will be here.